Welcome to Luxe Home Decor DIY using the Dollar Tree finds. And this is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and myself, Sadie Lynn's Home and Garden. And any participants will be listed in the description box. Okay, I have these white bird cages. Now, I either purchased these at the Dollar General or the Dollar Tree. I'm not sure which. And they are quite pretty. I find that you can do so many different things with bird cages. So come along with me as I decorate these two. Now the smaller one, I added some ivy vines that I did purchase at the Dollar Tree. Now they didn't fit on the inside, so I just wrapped them around to the outside. But I bought 2 of the stems and 2 of the bird cages. And I also have an assortment of pink flowers that I bought at the dollar stores, and I'm going to be adding those to the inside of both bird cages. So I'm going to show you here how I added the ivy vine to the outside of this little bird cage. And it did, it fit perfectly. And then I have a glass jar that I will be putting the flowers in. So here I have some pretty pink roses and some purple flowers and some baby's breath. And I'll just place those inside the glass jar. So here I am placing it inside the smaller of the 2 bird cages. So here we go. Doesn't that look pretty? And these would make a nice Mother's Day gift, or a gift for any occasion. And I just clamp it shut and it is ready to go into the pot. Now this pot I already had, but you could find any kind of pot from any of the dollar stores that the bird cages would fit inside of. I love the pink color of the roses in this one. Okay, now here is the larger of the 2 bird cages. And I'm going to place this flower pot with the vines already wrapped around it inside this bird cage. And I'm going to be adding pink hydrangea flowers and again with the purple flowers to the inside of the pot. And again, these flowers did come from the Dollar General, I do believe. So here I am adding it to the bird cage. So here we go. So I close this one as well. I think the pink and purple look so pretty together. Very springtime. It would have been cute to add a little bird to the top as well, but I add a flower. And again, I'm going to add the bird cage to the flower pot. So here we go with them sitting side by side. And I think they look nice on my patio table, so I may just leave them here, at least for now. Okay, here we go. I think they look really pretty. You'll have to let me know what you think. And these were such easy DIY flower arrangements in a bird cage. Well, I want to thank you all for watching, and hopefully this gave you an idea on how you can create a DIY. Now from Amazon, I had ordered this solar-powered fairy holding a tulip, and I think she looks beautiful sitting between the 2. Don't y'all think so? Now, if you would, go and check out the playlist and see what everyone else has done for their DIY home decor for spring. Oh, and I did add a couple little white birds on the table. And I do add one more flower to the taller of the bird cages. And this is the flower that I'll be adding to the top. There we go. I want to thank you all for watching. See you in the next one.